Guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be working on the CLK, and I've got an update. I want to show you guys on the 32. You guys have probably already seen it if you guys follow me on Instagram. But for the CLK, we've got our first sponsor. There's a few things I want to touch up on the CLK, and obviously those are the headlights and the fog lights. The headlights, we're going to be restoring them in this video. And for the fog lights, we've got some brand new LED lights. I want to talk a little bit more about the company that sponsored this, and I'll show you guys how to go ahead and actually install LED fog lights on your W209. Beforehand, I want to show you guys the 32 real quick. Man, check it out. We finally updated the headlights on the 32 and it looks amazing. Look at that. It changes the whole look of the car. I've got pictures and few reels on it on Instagram. You guys can go check it out. This thing turned out really good. So pretty much what I ended up doing with this, I didn't get a brand new headlight. I pulled this off the car from pull apart, basically changed the lens on the headlight. It made it so much cheaper just pulling this from a car and then buying a new lens and replacing the lens. We're gonna do the same thing on the E55 also. All right, I don't know how familiar you guys are with this company, but this is Autoone. They pretty much sent me LED lights for the CLK. This is a decoder. The LEDs on here don't draw enough current or voltage. So whenever you get one of these, you want to get a decoder as well. And this decoder is pretty much going to convert the current that it needs to power the fog lights on with the car. I think that's the best way I can explain it. This company right here, they've got some amazing LED lights on their website. They also have low beams and high beams. Check out their site, see what you guys like. I'll see if I can get a discount code for you guys if you guys do end up picking one up. But I want to show you the huge difference with installing this versus what is on the car. Let me unbox this for you guys real quick, show you guys what we're working with in here. Oh, this is nice. Gloves. These are nice working gloves. I will go ahead and use them while I'm installing it. This is the fog light. This fog light has got a built-in cooler. I'll probably call it a fan. When it gets pretty warm, obviously the fan kicks on and it cools the inside of the fog lights, which is pretty cool so it doesn't run too hot and burn itself out. This is really nice. I like the fan on here. That's pretty neat. This is what we're working with. Once we change them out, they're gonna look completely different. And I'm thinking I'm gonna also switch out the parking lamps to LED as well. We definitely wanna match the lights for the fog lights and for the parking light, and then with the low beam. Alright, I want to show you guys real quick how to get this off. This is going to be super easy for me, but you're going to probably have some sort of protective tray right here that connects to the front of the tire well, which I am missing right here. So this piece over here is what you're going to take off, and then the bottom should be exposed. So for me, mine is already exposed and the fog light is right here. For the passenger side, let's check it out. Am I missing anything? Yes, I am. Same thing as well. This one, the bottom is broken. This should be pretty easy. I got my white gloves on, ready to work. Fog light, go ahead and unplug it. It comes off pretty easy. Actually, let's go ahead and turn it. And that comes out like that. So you turn it counterclockwise and it comes out. The decoder right here, you're gonna take the male portion and the female side. You've got green and brown, which green is your power. You got white and black, which black is your ground and white is your power. So you want to match them. You're gonna connect them like so. Okay, so we got the bottom connected. This side, I don't see any plus or negative, so it might not really matter. I'm gonna go ahead and match this side with the side that actually hooks on. Okay, let me go ahead and turn on the light and then we'll see if this thing turns on. Turned on. Well, my gloves are dirty now. I guess I'm gonna have to wash these. Fog lights are pretty much installed. Before I show you guys, I actually wanna switch out the parking bulbs to LED bulbs so they match. We'll see how it looks like. Honestly, before I show you guys, maybe I might wanna restore the headlights. Maybe I'll show you guys before and after and then do another before and after again. These already had them. I just found them. They've been sitting here. So I'm gonna replace them real quick. Oh, check it out. That looks so much better. Now it will look a ton better after we restore the headlights. Monica's washing the E55 out here. Let's see. Moment of truth. Wow, so much better. Restoration kit. This is what I got for this headlight. Pretty sure anyone that's watching this video has used this before. We're gonna use this kit to restore the headlights, get this thing as new as this. No, I'm joking. It's never gonna turn out like this. We'll see how this thing turns out. I think it's gonna turn out really good. I've got a helper here with me. We're able to tackle this pretty quickly. This thing is looking super good already. We're yet to use the last final product. This side turned out really good. This side I noticed there's a freaking bug in there. Can't get that out. It already looks so good. So good. I knew this was gonna turn out. That's why I didn't wanna change out the lens like the C32 here. Definitely gonna look really good when we're done with this. I'll show you guys once we put this on. I gotta teach you how to use the wipes. So here, come check this out. Pretty much want to take the wipe and wipe it on one side, and then you want to overlayer a little bit on that first wipe and then go over the second part. Does that make sense? You aren't even watching, dude. Come watch it. So you want to wipe and then wipe over the next part, but you want to have a little bit overlay on the first part that you wiped, and just keep doing that. All just one wipe. Okay. You're not doing double because it's gonna leave streaks, okay?
Okay.
All right. No pressure. Putting pressure on it, okay? There we go. Nice, good going. We did it. High five. Look at that. Once this actually dries, we'll go ahead, maybe take out the car, see how it looks like at night. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, this is the parking lights. Are they on?
Yep.
Look good, right?
Uh-huh.
Now fog lights.
The one to my left is not on.
It's not on? All right, let me try it one more time. Okay, is it working?
Mm-mm.
No?
Nope. But these two are.
Okay.
They look pretty good.
They look really good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I wanna see how this looks like. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, we gotta figure out this fog light. Alright, I'm gonna have to unplug this. So I realized water actually got in this thing. So that's why it's not turning on. I hope this is not dead. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, dry it out, plug it back in, and test it again. All we did was wash the car and clean the headlights. So we got a new decoder. The other one actually broke. Currently we have the right side working. That's what we left off on. Left side, the passenger side, that's what we're gonna replace with the decoder right here. I'll tell you when. Okay, that should be good enough. Yeah, that's plenty. Now we gotta test it. It's been installed. All right, you guys. I don't know where we left off on this clip, but both working?
Yeah.
That looks amazing. I wish it was darker in here. It'll look better, right?
Yeah.
Are they both on still?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this looks phenomenal. Alright, so nighttime, I'll show you guys how it looks like. I think it's dark enough to show you guys how the fog lights look like. I really just want to show you how it looks like at night. It's pretty bright and it's pretty good, like in terms of using it with your headlights. That's why I want to show you while it's dark outside. I didn't want to wait till it's super dark. I think this is pretty good enough. This is how they pretty much look. That's pretty bright. I am pretty impressed with this, and it makes the car look so much better. Those side markers right there, I need to change those. I'm probably gonna do like a clear side marker. I was either debating clear or dark, but I think clear would look phenomenal. You guys, that's pretty much it. This is gonna sum it up for this video. I'm gonna leave the product link in the description. You guys can definitely check it out. Just let me know what you guys think about the product in the comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. All right, take care.